Hi dear Scorpios, a very good evening to you guys. So this is a general love reading for all those who are in no contact with their particular person right now. So this is a reading from today till the end of June. So we will see what your partner feels for you, what you feel for them, what they want from you, and what to expect from this particular person till the end of June. Okay, so let's start. So I was getting very huge demand of no contact and singles. That's why I'm doing it. And apart from that, I'm getting lots of requests to do Hindi readings. I'm really sorry, yaar, I can't do it in Hindi because lots of viewers respond in English to me, and my channel is working fine in English only right now. So maybe in the future, I will try to do in Hindi as well. Okay, I'm really sorry for the time being as of now. Yeah. See, let's see what your person feels for you, Scorpio. Their feelings for you are. Six of Wands. I feel like Scorpio, your person feels like you are a celebrity to them, or you are a very, very beautiful person. You are the life of the party. You are a cheerful person. Scorpio, your person sees you in a very, very beautiful light. Okay, they feel like you are some kind of mini celebrity, and whenever you are around them, they feel really happy, really lucky, and really successful and victorious as well in this connection. Okay, this is what they feel for you right now. Even if you guys are in no contact right now, these are their feelings for you. Okay, keep in mind these readings are, uh, it might or might not resonate with you. Or and the second thing, the roles could be reversed. It could also be possible that you see them in this light. Okay, and whatever comes for your energy, it could also be possible that they feel that particular thing. Okay, let's see what you feel for this person, Scorpio. Let's see. Five of Pentacles. I feel like you feel betrayed by this particular person, Scorpio. You feel like this person left you in the cold, left you hanging on the wall in the past, and you tried to walk away from this situation, okay? So I feel like you felt very, 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 very disgusted by this person in the past, and you felt like this person is somebody who is not, caring about you, caring about your emotions, caring about your health, or caring about your status, or something like related to something that is very, very important to you. So that is why you are feeling left out. That is why you are feeling like left in the cold, or left hanging on the wall, or something like that. You are feeling like you are left in the cold right now, and you're not being able to digest this particular feeling, because you are feeling like this is a disgusting feeling. Why this person did that to me? Okay, why am I feeling like this? Because somebody else is disgusting, I should not feel like this. Okay, this is the feeling that you are having for this particular person right now. So, Scorpio, keep in mind the roles could be reversed as well, okay? It could be vice versa. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. The Tower. I feel like this person wants to have a breakup with you and restart. This is the thing, okay? So, I feel like this person wants to break the old cycle, break the old foundation that you guys had in the past, and they want to restart this connection. Or it could also mean that there is some kind of sudden realization, and they want you also to realize that there's potential in this connection, there's love in this connection. So basically, I feel like they want you to realize this particular thing. That is what I'm getting intuitively, that this particular person wants you to realize that there's potential in this connection, there's still love in this connection, and you still love them. This is what they feel, this is what they want from you. Let's see what you want from them. Okay, let's see what you what do you want from this particular person, Scorpio? What do you want from this particular person? Four of Swords. Right now, for the time being, you don't want anything from this particular person. You are just holding back. You are just trying to meditate. You are just trying to, put yourself first, and put your might be career first, or something like that. Right now, you're taking a break from this particular person. Right now, you are feeling like, I don't need any kind of shit in my life right now, because I have, created my own world, my own happiness, my own business, and I want to focus on myself for the time being. This is what you want from this person. You want space, and they want you to realize that this connection is like a beautiful connection. And what you want from this particular person is, I feel like you want this person to hold back right now, to stay away, to give some space to you. This is what you want from this particular, for the time being, Scorpio. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person till end of June. What to expect from this person till end of June. Three of Pentacles. I feel like this person is coming towards you, okay, and they are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy, put in the work in this connection. Might be they're coming in towards you with a, with a, you can say, how to elaborate this. So I feel like this person is coming towards you with a work offer or with a financial offer, or they're just trying to find some excuse to connect to you and work with you and stay close to you as much as possible. So I feel like this person is coming towards you with a financial offer or with a business offer or job offer, and they just want to connect with you, and they just want to put in the effort or put in the energy, put in the work in this connection. Let's see what to expect from your side till the end of June. Ace of Wands. So I think you are giving this person another chance. This is the Ace of Wands. So I feel like you will feel passionate about this connection again, and you will be ready for this connection to have a brand new beginning, to have a brand new, start. So I feel like Scorpios, you are going to give this relationship another chance, and they are coming in towards you with a financial offer, a solid offer of some kind of, something financial is related to this, something business or job related offer is coming towards you. And if not that type of offer is coming towards you regarding this connection, this person is particularly coming towards you, and they are ready to put in the effort and energy from their side to make this relationship work out, and you're responding positively to this particular connection, or positively to this particular offer, and you will also be ready to have a brand new beginning, ready to have a passionate start in this connection. Yeah. So Scorpios, this is what I can see for you guys till the end of June, if you guys are in no contact with your particular person. So thank you so much for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste. God bless you.